So, hello guys, magsaset up tayo ng food para sa aking mukbang vlog. Okay, look at this. This is my mangkok and this is my feed. It's all of my feed. So, we're gonna setting up that. So, first, we are gonna set up the camera. So, this is the camera. So guys, eto na nga. Ito, yan. So, first natin nilalagay is yung pigatos. Wow, ang bilis. Easy to open yung daming laman. After that, yung donut. And next is yung fudge bar. Wait for the part 2 guys, kasi part 1 pa lang to. Yung part 2 is yung mukbang na natin. Diyan ka muna. So, this is our food, guys. Yan. Yan. So, ayan. Kakainin natin siya sa part 2. So, abangan! Bye-bye!